So you're thinking about going more plant-based. Let's just for a second forget all the rules and all the things you can't have. What if we looked at this like, well, like an adventure, your own personal journey?
Maybe you've seen those amazing, colorful meals pop up on your feed and you've thought, I wonder, could I do that? If that sounds like you, then you are in exactly the right place. We're going to map this whole thing out.
And that right there is the secret. This isn't about giving things up. It's about all the incredible stuff you get to add in. But let's be real. The biggest challenge for most of us is bridging that gap between what we know we should eat and what we actually manage to eat day to day. And that's where a company like Juice Plus comes in. As the proactive wellness company, they're all about giving you simple, concentrated, plant-based nutrition to help you on this exact adventure.
Okay, let's get into it. Every great adventure, every quest, it always starts with a really solid foundation. And this is your simple, super powerful first step. It all starts with just this, 4 little capsules. That's it. This is the heart of the Juice Plus fruit and vegetable blend.
And what's packed inside these 4 capsules? It's kind of amazing. You're getting the nutritional power of 20 different fruits, vegetables, and plant-based vitamins. It's all about whole food nutrition, just made incredibly, incredibly simple.
And here's the best part. It actually works. This blend is backed by serious research, delivering 10 clinically proven health benefits, everything from supporting your heart health to even benefiting your lungs.
Okay, so we've got that foundation. Now let's build on it. All we're doing is adding 2 more capsules a day. This is the Juice Plus Berry Blend.
And inside these 2 capsules, you get the power of 11 different berries, grapes, and vitamins. This blend is just bursting with antioxidants, and it's specifically designed to help you get that vibrant, glowing skin from the inside out.
And just look at this lineup. We're talking real, non-GMO, whole foods here. Kale, raspberries, broccoli, even cocoa. This is exactly what we mean when we say it's about abundance, not restriction.
All right, every hero needs some allies on their adventure, right? Especially when you run into common challenges. And let's talk about a big one, gut health.
Does that sound a little too familiar? Yeah, you are definitely not alone. A whopping 2/3 of adults deal with gut issues. And a big reason for that is most of us just aren't getting the right kind of fiber our gut really needs to thrive.
So, how do we tackle this? Well, meet your gut health allies, the Juice Plus Superbiome Prebiotic and Probiotic. The easiest way to think about it is like this. The prebiotic is a drink mix that feeds all your good gut bacteria, while the probiotic capsule replenishes them with reinforcements. Together, it's an incredible 1-2 punch for your digestive balance.
And what about those crazy busy days on your adventure? You've got another ally for that. The superfood powder mixes super easily with water for a quick nutrient boost, and it's packed with fruits, berries, and vegetables. And get this, in a blind taste test, it was strongly preferred over the leading brands. So it actually tastes good too.
So, you've built your foundation, you've found your allies. Now let's talk about the absolute best part of any adventure, the rewards. One of the most fantastic benefits from both the berry blend and the fruit and vegetable blend is how it supports your skin. We're talking clinical studies that show it actually increases your skin's microcirculation, hydration, and even density. And people really feel the difference. Don't just take my word for it, listen to Hope F. She said, "I'm sleeping better, wake up feeling more rested, nothing wrong with adding more fruits and veggies." Love that.
Another huge reward is immune support. The fruit, vegetable, and berry blends all contain naturally occurring vitamin C, which is absolutely crucial for the normal function of your immune system.
And this isn't just some quick fix. It's about long-term consistency. Lynette J. shared, "My son and I have been taking Juice Plus for about 10 years. We rarely get sick." Wow, that really shows you the power of sticking with it.
And look, the proof behind all of these rewards is rock solid. Juice Plus is the most clinically researched nutritional product of its kind, period. Its benefits are supported by more than 40 peer-reviewed scientific publications. That is serious science.
And just like that, your personal adventure is right there, waiting for you. But before you start packing your bags, there's one really crucial piece of advice to keep in your back pocket. I mean this, seriously. Let go of being perfect. This whole journey is about progress. So you had a meal that wasn't perfectly plant-based? It's okay. Every single step you take in a healthier direction is a huge win, and it's totally worth celebrating. So if you're feeling that little spark, if you're ready to start your own adventure, here is exactly how you can get going.
To learn more and grab your own plant-based power-ups, just visit Helene's website at helene7.juiceplus.com. Got questions? You can give her a call directly at 858-208-5109. And for more great info on wellness, fitness, and beauty, you have got to check out naturesmarts.us.
We've laid out the map, we've shown you the tools, and we've talked about the amazing rewards. So now, there's really only one question left. What's your first step going to be?